Today I'm going to use the Phillips soup maker to make some creamy cauliflower soup. So to get started, I'll just show you. There's a spinning blade that goes inside, and there's different settings. On the top we're going to choose the setting for creamy milk-based soups, and that'll give us the creaminess that we need. It's going to cook the cauliflower for us and chop it up at the same time. So this is what the canister looks like inside. Open pitcher kind of canister. We're going to start by adding some cauliflower. Now I took a half a head of cauliflower and chopped it up into florets. It adds up to about 3 cups for this size batch of soup. Now there's a level in here. I should have showed you that first. I don't know if you can see, there's a min line and a max line. So we want to make sure that the liquid falls in between those 2 lines. I have a spice I'm going to use, which is cumin, and I'm going to use a half a teaspoon. Alright. In addition to that, we're going to use some fresh ground pepper. That's also going to be maybe a quarter of a teaspoon. And a little bit of salt to bring out the flavors, and I'm using ground sea salt. Next, you can use milk, but I'm using Almond Breeze, and this is a reduced sugar version. So I'm going to add about a half a cup. The rest of the liquid that we use is going to be vegetable stock. So this will be a vegetarian style soup. You can use vegetable broth or vegetable stock, but what we're going to do here is add enough stock to come up to the minimum line that I showed you. It looks like this right now. I'm not going to worry about mixing it up, but I'm going to put the appliance top in here. Over here is where the elements meet, and I'm going to plug it in, and you see the buttons light up. I'm going to choose the milk-based soup and the start button, and this will start to chop the cauliflower as it cooks it. It's already starting to heat up. I can feel it. It'll take about 18 minutes to make this soup, but as you can see how easy it was to get the soup started. We'll come back and check it after 18 minutes. Now the chopping is alternating off and on, and when you can hear it start to chop, it sounds like a blender, which actually that's the kind of job it's doing in there. So it'll be off and on, and now it's already warm up to this level, and it's only been maybe half a minute to a minute. So it will alternate back and forth. Okay, we're finishing up our soup. You heard the final grinding going on. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Better yet, let's open it up and see how it tastes. Unplug it. Take out the blender. It's been doing a good job. Alright, we're going to mix it up a little bit here from there's a foaminess to it because of the blender. I'm going to pour it into a soup bowl. Alright, we'll let this foam settle down here a little bit, and notice the creaminess of the soup. It's all blended. All the chunks of cauliflower are totally blended. The soup maker did a great job. I'm going to just garnish this with some fresh parsley. And we're going to just let it cool off for a few minutes, and then I'll taste it. Alright, we're going to taste a little bit of this nice hot soup. That tastes good. Fresh cauliflower and that creaminess from the almond milk. Very good. Well, that's an easy one for your Philips soup maker. It took 18 minutes to mix and cook, but it took about 5 minutes to put it together. Then you have enough soup for about 3 bowls, nice sized bowls. Alright, hope you liked this video. Thanks for reminding me to make some things in my soup maker. It's so easy and has very nice results. Thanks for watching.